Here's both my bikes. I own them both. Pretty nice. That's a work in progress. It's coming out nice. Colt leader bar, 9-inch. Cut a 1/2 inch on both sides. Vans grips, Colt. They're okay. Shadow Conspiracy chrome. Sunday chrome. Top load. Odyssey headset polished. S2 directive fork. Pegs are Odyssey GI with the S&M hub guards on the left side. Profile Mini SS connected to the Demolition Zero Odyssey Inken. The frame is a Soundwave from red. It's gonna get powder coated blue. Profile GDH. 3 sprockets, spline drive, 28. Twisted PCs from Odyssey. Profile C clamp. Odyssey convertible polished. Dual fat seat. Same peg as the one in the front, hug guard in the back, also S&M GI peg. Profile connected to Demolition Zero. Odyssey Inken, pretty sweet. Bottom bracket's profile, so pretty nice bike. This is my current setup, and this is my work in progress. Can't wait. This one's almost done. We got the BSD grips with the red par ends. Pretty cool. We got the Sunday top load red Odyssey headset. Sunday morning 2.1 fork that I got off of eBay. Pretty nice. Thank you to the buyer or the seller. I mean, the seller was really nice. I appreciate it for what you did, and thank you very much. This one for you. Colt van tire, 2.35, real nice. Alienation wheel set, stock, but fuck it works. We got the G Sport hub guards with the We The People peg. It's a regular standard peg, I don't care, it works. Frame is the Soundwave, just like the red one. Seat clamp is Sunday, Odyssey convertible in black. Sabrosa fat seat, real nice. MDS sprocket. Discontinued, got it for $35. Thank you to the seller for that one too. DK social crank, 175. Twisted PCs from Odyssey. Chain is the KNC half link. Same wheels, the one in the front to Alienation stock, but who cares? It works. Same hook guard in the front, also one in the back. Same peg, same tires. The one in the front also Colt Vans. These are real nice fucking tires for being that damn big. I never thought the tire would fit in the front, but it fits amazingly and it's nice. Bars are the Redline Monster. Cut them down to, they're 9-inch rise, cut them down to 1/2 inch. Real nice. They were 9x30s. Let's see. And I gotta represent the Albies. Gotta get that Albies in there. They're better than Dan's. Better than Dan's. Way better than Dan's. My guy wanted me to put an Autobot symbol in the front of my bike. I don't know why, but whatever. But yeah, these are both my bikes. The work in progress over there in my current setup. Comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of both these bikes. The work in progress is going to get swapped out with a red sprocket to finish and a black chain. I think that's it. Comment, rate. Let me know what you guys think of both of these bikes. Thank you.